Oh, excuse me. Yes, sir. What it do, what it do? What it do, YouTube? Big Homie Squad. It's your boy, Big Homie Scooter. This shooter. And I'm back with another one, man. So, it's been a minute. What y'all been up to? What y'all been doing out there? Y'all been alright? Y'all been good? How life been treating y'all? But yeah, what it do, man? Yes, sir. On this good old Sunday. My bad, man. I just got through eating. I just pulled up at the range out here, as y'all can see. So, yeah. I remember my optic goddamn screw had popped on me. But we finally got that fixed, dog. Yeah, sir, I got it back yesterday. Shout out to my boy Carl, my gunsmith, over at the AR bar. Y'all goddamn check him out if y'all ever right here in Huntsville, Alabama. Yes, sir. Shout out to my boy Lamar. Y'all already know what's stay. Yeah, he keep me swagged out. But yeah, man, I'm finna get my stuff. Jump out here. We finna load up. I guess I'm finna re-zero my dot, man. But y'all just stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm finna get with y'all here in just a second. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Leave your boy a comment. And subscribe to the channel, man. I'm finna crank back up, man. So, yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Yes, sir. Let's go. So, what's happening, YouTube? What's going on? So, I got my gun back yesterday, and I need to make sure it's zero. So it was zero before that happened. But him taking it off, putting it back on, like I need to make sure that my stuff is on, that my zero is spot on before I get back to shooting my competitions. Shout out to Shooters Global. They sent me out this new smart shot timer that I'm gonna be using. I see that. Yeah. So I can put in how many sets, how many reps I want to do with it all. We're going to go through. I'm going to do a little breakdown video of it. And voila. Voila. I got my baby back, man. I got my baby back. Now let's make sure baby on. For sure. Ooh, baby, I missed her. But yeah, man. Y'all hadn't really seen your boy, cause I got me a jizzard. Yeah. So I went back to my old job. For those of you that didn't know, I used to work for Bill Penny Toyota. So yeah, I left on good terms. So, you know, they opened up the door for me to come back or whatever. So, with that being said, and they maxed out my pay. So, I wasn't maxed out when I left, but they gonna max me out. So, I ain't arguing with it. My little girl finna turn 7 in a week. My wife's birthday is next month. Well, yeah, November. And I got Christmas 30 days after her birthday. So, back to the money. Gotta get back to the money. Oh, but I gotta get back to this range too. I gotta get back to them competitions. I ain't shot a competition in about 3 weeks or so. I gotta get back to it, man. I know I'm already signed up for Cavern Cove on the 14th. I did already sign up a squad for that, so it is that's already one match that I got lined up. So for now, I'm finna make sure Uncle Big Ben is all the way together before I jump into one of my matches on Wednesday. Unfortunately, I lost one of the screws. I took one of the screws out of my backup optic to see if it would fit in this, and it didn't fit. And I set it down somewhere, and now I can't find it. Like, I should have just took it out and put it right back in. I didn't. Fumbling and bumbling, not paying attention. I took it out, I set it down somewhere, and now I can't find it. I don't know if it didn't hit the floor or not. I really couldn't tell you. But, yeah. We ain't gonna full mag it. So, now we finna head down range. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's that new gimbal thing that I got. Shout out to him. New gimbal or whatever that I got with the AI tracking. Yeah. Got to invest in yourself, man. The content create, man, this shit get real. Like, if this is what you trying to do, you gotta goddamn invest in yourself. That's one thing I've learned. So, meaning, so, you see I got this gimbal, but yeah, as you can see, it tracks me. Manzano Tactical and the regular USB-C cardboard that I got right here. So, yeah. Y'all hold tight, man. I'm gonna get myself situated, and then I'm finna oh, he put up a new board right there. Yeah, man, but y'all hold tight, man. Just 1 second, give me a second. So I took a few shots. Nah, it don't need to be zero. So we ain't doing no zero on it, cause it don't need it. Unfortunately, let's get to work, man. So,
ready?
Yeah. Let's get some reps in. Shoot ain't even ready. Look at this. Fresh checks are for free, man. So 132. Alright, we ain't gonna rush it. I ain't shot in about 2 weeks now. Slipping on my pimping. I'm A-zone though. Yeah, I am A-zone. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Don't worry about that. through one, through two. Alright, let's see what I'm looking like real quick. Let's see what we looking like real quick. So through one, it's supposed to be right here. And I threw that one. So I ain't tripping, we ain't tripping. We're just getting some reps in. It ain't nothing major. It ain't gonna harm, it ain't no cause, no, we good. Alright. Wrap it up, baby. No, 146. Alright. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Transition with a reload. Do a little 1-and-1s real quick. Oh. Fucking at the A zone, no down there. And again, I'm through one, which was this one right here. Everything else A zone. I ain't gonna lie, I done put 1, 2, 3. I put three in the one right here. That's why it's so big. Boy, I ain't lost it, man. But I'm finna move over to some steel, so y'all give me a second real quick. So this right here, that new gimbal I was telling y'all about. Y'all see how it move? Yeah, see it move with me. Yeah. Hey man, Shooter Global. Yeah, that new shot timer. Y'all wanna see something? Watch this. Why they restarting? Oh, never mind. Yeah, my bad, it took a little minute. But yeah, everything is new technology now, and I can record everything. So y'all gonna see, man. Y'all gonna see. Just stay tuned. So yeah, so I ain't gonna be too much longer. My wife and my kids on the way. They've been out of town, and yeah, they about to be home. So yeah, I miss my baby. So it's about time for me to slide on y'all. In which I really just came out here to make sure my shit was zeroed. It was good. Everything working smooth and cool. Screws ain't moving. They ain't none of that. So yeah. So for right now, I'm just gonna do some little transition drills on the steel. Yeah. Work playing with this new time. I ain't gonna lie, I like this new time. Shout out to Shooters Global, man. My outdoor match, I got something for y'all. So yeah, let's get to it though. I missed the first one. Bad. I missed that goddamn last one. That boy just straight completely. He missed every last one of them. Shameful! Alright. Let's go right here with it. Let's do this. What that was? Last three. My baby running again, man. My baby running again. Yes, sir. Just like that, baby. We back, baby. We back, baby. We back, baby. We back, baby. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Finna get out there, pack up and get up out of here, man. I'm finna tap in with y'all here in a second, man. So, apparently I'm not in the clear just yet. So I popped off like 5-10 more shots. And it was like I was shooting to the right. Something just told me to like do a little bit more, try a few more shots. It's loose again. So now I'm taking it as it's the hose that's in the slide, like they gotta be stripped out of something. Cause yeah, I shouldn't still be having this problem. I just spent a few $100s on trying to get this problem fixed. So now I'm going back to the source, which is Redstone Pump, which they always take care of me. It ain't no problem. But yeah, man, so we got 2 weeks to get this issue resolved before my outdoor match. If not, then I'm gonna have to pull back out of this. So yeah, I can't get out like this. But in the meantime, in between time though, man, it was good to hit that range, get back on the range today. Fire some shots off. I'm gonna go ahead and order me a screw for my backup, gun for my optic. That way I don't have to worry about that problem. So, yeah, man, I hit that like button. I leave a comment. Hit that sub button. Hit the bell notification so y'all will get notified when you do a drop, man. I gotta go let down the flag. Y'all wanna take a little walk with me, really? Ugh. Yeah. So when I come out here, I have to, where is it? Someone back there. Oh, gee. button and it swivel around and all that old good stuff. Oh yeah, this gimbal is everything you need. And I ain't even got my phone on. I got my GoPro on it. So, and down it comes. And just like that, the day is done, man. It's good kicking shit with y'all today. I ain't gonna say I'm bothered that my optic is loose again after spending nice little bit of money. Shit happen. I ain't tripping. We're gonna get the situation taken care of, man. That's all we can do. Let nothing like this slow us down. Million time in between time, man. Yes, sir. Oh! Yeet! Main time, in between time, man. Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. And y'all know who it is, man. It's Big Homie Scooter, the shooter.